middle, into the middle. That's the view right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a photo of my bike and I'll move it out of the way.
Okay.
In fact, no, if you roll yours back, then I can get a photo for the thumbnail.
Stay where you want mine.
Hold on. And then I can get rid of my bike out of the way and you can... need to get Ken's bike in at some point. Yeah, that works. Ah!
You put it away too quickly.
Put it away.
Rumour has it that Mark hadn't got a television, he watches slideshows of his bike on that.
I don't actually have a TV. So about three Christmases ago, maybe 4 Christmases ago, my TV blew up. And because I don't really watch TV, I didn't replace it. My daughter's got a fish tank now. So there's a fish tank where the TV used to be. Right. So if I watch anything, it's on YouTube. Yeah. I don't actually watch TV.
Yeah, I got rid of my telly years ago.
Getting a bit gnarly. Coming through, coming through, coming through, coming through. He ended up in the wrong rut, didn't he? Good effort, man.
That's a good one. I like that. I wish I'd not gone in that way.
This is the one with the bears in it, isn't it?
Yeah, I was going to say, if you remember, I said the way we done to get up there last time. So I'll give you the choice: either go down there or we can escape out there.
I'll go that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a bit tight, isn't it? This one's tight.
Yeah, it's a bit rough.
It's a bit rough and tight.
Okay.
If I can get this through. Move them out of the way. I can smell burning wood. I must have been collecting trees. This is technical, guys. Squirrel. Tight like a tiger. Some nice rocky sections, didn't they?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. I ain't been up this one for ages. It's pretty much an abandoned road, just where the tarmac's just basically starting to become nature. And last time I was up here, there's a few waterfalls. Ow! A bit greener than I remember. It's not as when it's really wet, you've got waterfalls coming down where the broken tarmac, and when it's frozen, they all froze. So it looks really cool. It's not as bad as left.
If we go over there a couple of 100 yards, what speed have a look at the view then over?
Yeah.
And then we'll go back down that one again.
Yeah. Going left just so you can see the view.
Okay.
And then we've got to turn around and go back. Oh my god! There was an invisible rock in there somewhere. So remember the bridge we went over this morning when you were looking at the river with the estuary?
Yep.
That's the river.
Okay.
Basically leading out to the sea.
Yep.
That,
It's hard to clear enough because you can actually see Roundsville when the sun's out.
yeah, that finger of land that goes out stretches round to Heartland, isn't it? That's Heartland. Yeah. So that's Heartland Point right out the end.
Stunning.
It's absolutely amazing up here.
Yeah.
Back there you got Dartmoor.
Dartmoor over there. Dartmoor.
We're getting a really clear day. You can catch the tip of Bodmin Moor down there.
Yeah.
So you've got 3 moors like that.
Nice.
And that's Lundy Island in the distance, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
So right at direct, you see the windmills?
Shadow over there, yeah.
Yeah, you can see the shadow. That's Lundy Island.
Windy Island.
Lundy.
Lundy.
Lundy is Norse for puffin Island. So the puffins go there in the summer to breed.
Oh, cool.
So it's a nice place.
If you remember the boat that we saw
Yep.
when we were up at Langley Lane heading out, that's where he was.
Oh, okay. Awesome. What a
Yeah,
view.
yeah, it's some pretty.
I think the only view that beats it is up the top of Dunkery there, isn't it?
Yeah,
Over the top.
yeah. Is that me or you?
Me.
Yeah, Dunker is beautiful. When we went up there the other day, that was nice.
I wouldn't mind doing it run again one day.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, it's all pretty. Maybe on a dry day. I don't mind. It's funny. I'm saying maybe on a dry day, and I'm out, and it's like the muddiest day ever. I don't think I've fallen off so much ever when I've been with Ken, apart from today, and it was mostly on that one lane.
He's leading you astray.
I've been down that lane before many a time. I think I've done it twice by myself, not down the steep bit.
Yep.
And then with Goose, never fell off down there, and then today I just made up for it. So
That was the first time I ever had any engagement with Mark. I was watching his YouTube and he went along there and he went to the left and down into the woods and come back. He realised he'd made a mistake and sort of I commented on that. Fuck's sake, it was a good job we didn't go into the right, mate.
and now we're going down the right like it's nothing. It just shows you, like, it's like you said earlier, it's like some people would just give up too easy. Now if that lane that we went on where I fell off a lot, that could ruin somebody's career, but I just knew why I was falling off, and I knew as long as I got the bike, got myself up and kept going, I'd eventually get to where I needed to be, and it hasn't put me off the rest of the day. It doesn't. I compartment.
Fitness levels help a lot as well.
Yeah.
Because if you've got the stamina to pick up your bike multiple times, then you're going to be able to cope more and more.
Yeah, definitely. This is being physically fit massively helps.
Fat, yeah, I've got the physically fat.
Because if you're not getting out of breath so easy while you're riding the bike, you've got more space in your head.
I mean, I've found my I'm not bike fit because there's so much I can't do and I get out of breath on stuff. But just normal trail riding it's now nothing for me. And even on newer stuff where you're kind of moving around the bike a bit and going over some obstacles and stuff like that, it doesn't faze me now.
Yep.
And it doesn't take my breath away.
Yep.
Whereas when I first started, it used to. But the moment if I start falling off, And then even with the skinny bike, then once you have to keep picking up, then your arms go, and then you start getting cramps and all that sort of stuff. And fucking horsefly, fuck off horsefly.
Oh, that's horrible little things.
Yeah.
Wait till you get to my age, it's a fucking effort even to get on it.
So we're going straight back down there, are we?
Yeah, well, you'll know the way. You go down, straight across.
Straight across.
And then
Turn right, isn't it?
take the first right. Down Ben Hitchin Lane, that long open one.
Yep. Don't tell me the name of the lanes, I don't know the names. I know we turn right.
Yeah. Yeah, so straight across and then on, first on the right. You'll recognise that when you get there.
I got shrubbery. The bike's covered in brambles.